So you may have seen something new on Instagram in your DM section called Notes and might be wondering what is this, how to use it and what it is for. So today's video is going to be about Instagram Notes. Make sure you watch it till the end and now let's get started. So Instagram has recently rolled out this feature to some of the users. You might have noticed this feature long ago, but I recently got it on my Instagram, so I thought why not let my viewers know about it. Instagram Notes is a feature that creates like a bridge to your DMs. This feature is similar to Twitter's tweet and you are only allowed to create a note of 60 characters. The note you will create will show up to everyone who is following you and you follow them back too, or you can also set your preferences. This feature is also similar to Instagram stories or WhatsApp status as it will only last for 24 hours. You can find Instagram Notes just above the DMs. There can be different ways you can use Instagram Notes. Let's say you are traveling to a particular city and some of your friends live in that city. You can simply create a note asking for recommendations about good places to visit or eat. In that specific city, so that's one way you can use Instagram Notes. The friends who will see your note, they can reply to you directly and that reply will go into your DMs. Now let's talk about how you can create Instagram Notes. So I am on my Instagram and you just have to go to your DMs, and here as you can already see, some of my followers, or you can say one of my followers has already created Instagram Notes. So that's how it looks like. If you see notes from other people on your DMs, in your DMs, you can simply tap on that and as you can see, you can send them a message directly. So whatever your reply will be to their notes, that will go into their DMs. Alright, so that will happen with you as well. So yeah, now you can simply create a note by tapping on your profile icon that has a plus icon as well. And as you can see, it's given here that people won't be notified when you leave a note. So this will not give any notification sort of thing to your followers. Alright, you just have to add your note and that's it. Whosoever will visit their DMs, they will see that you have added a new note. Alright, and they can see your note for 24 hours and reply with a message. So just like story, you can reply with a message. Similarly with Instagram Notes, you can see them for 24 hours and you can reply with a message. Now here it is given the space to share what's on your mind and you can only use maximum of 60 characters to write. So you have to keep it short and crisp. Alright, so let's say I'm going to type, what do you think about Instagram Notes? Now if you will see just below this, you can share it with followers you follow back. So this will not get shared with all your followers, only with them who you do follow back. Alright, so for example, if you have your close friends who you follow back, or if you are an influencer but you only follow some people, so only they will be able to see your notes. Not every single of your followers, they will not see your notes. Alright, or you can even filter that out by choosing close friends. If you just want your few friends to see your note, you can go for close friends option. That's up to you. Once you are done typing a note or something, simply tap on share and there you go. So as you can see, I have just created a new Instagram note. Now whosoever will visit their DMs and whom I also follow back, they will be able to see this particular note right here. They can reply to it with a message. Now let's talk about, are Instagram notes actually useful? Instagram keeps on introducing new features to keep the users engaged, and this is one of those features that most of the influencers and content creators and even private accounts will be using. The good thing is they offer more visibility than Instagram stories, as they are short, to the point, and you will always see them just above your DMs. The drawback is only those whom you follow back will see your notes and not all of your followers. So if you have something to share with all your followers, you only have the Instagram story option, right? So yeah, what do you think of this feature? Do let me know in the comment section down below if you have already used Instagram notes or not, and if you know about any other positive or negative about this feature. So with that, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.